Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I brought my wife into the garage. This is my beautiful wife Tanya. She always says she wants to help me, so I'm going to throw her right into it. Today I've got throttle body and a cold air intake for the 2007 Jeep Wrangler. This used to be her Jeep, but we've got the red on the dash. I often get the I think some people call it the red lightning bolt of death. A lot of stuff points to the throttle body, but the throttle body is about 60 bucks. So I just went ahead and ordered the throttle body on Amazon. This one's all metal, that one's plastic, so we'll see how it goes. And then for another 120 bucks, looked like a cold air intake, was probably worth it, pretty easy to do. So we're gonna quickly take these apart, swap them over. Should be pretty fairly easy, I think, and fairly simple. And we'll see if it improves the performance, and if the red lightning bolt of death that likes to come on will finally come off. So she's going to do this job. So we've the only things I've already done is got all the tools ready for her, and I loosened up the just the air box, the air cleaner box, and the hose clamps on the thing. And she kind of already told her what she's going to do. And she has already said, hey, we should take the hose off first. So I think that's the first thing we need to do after you unplug it, that switch. All right. Yeah, just leave it lay. Pull it off. Yeah, it's loosened. Might have to yank. Just throw it down. All right. Now, I haven't loosened the clip on this, but I think is it just, there it goes. If you get the little orange screwdriver, put it behind there and pry it out that way. I think, oh, not too hard. Oh, not, no, little, that's a little hard. Oh, hold on. Can you get behind my fingers and pry it? We'll just, let's wait till it's off first. Yeah, here, let me see it. Screwdriver. Oh, don't break. I think it broke that one down there. Yeah, let's not break it. So, take the, I think the air tool ratchet one down there. Yep. And let's make sure it's in reverse. It's in reverse. Take that. Should I get a smaller? Let me get a smaller. Like I said, it's just those 4 bolts. Yeah, just give it to it, let it go. One thing is we'll make sure they're not different lengths. Now for that one, that will that even work? Hold on, I don't think that wobble will work very good. This might be too big, or will it? This is a, oh, I don't know. And then that might fit in there. Yeah, we don't want to, hold on. Still not going? Nope. All right. And I have a, keep hold of that, keep that, because we'll use it here in a second. I have a wrench actually for this. I don't know why and when I bought these, but I bought. Wrenches. All right, see if we can get it on there. Go ahead. No, you suck. You can hold this and I'll see if I can get that plug off of there. I don't know what's going on with the pin. Slide that off. Almost. Basically. The new one out of the box. Oh, right there. Then hold them, put them like next to each other. See if that plug looks the same. Huh? Good. So they look the same. We went ahead and sprayed a little carb cleaner, cleaned it up. This new one does not come with a O-ring gasket, but that one's in good shape. So, so we know all the bolts are the same. She's going to go ahead and put the new one on. We'll plug it in after. Yeah. Now we put the wobble on there, so that might get in there. If it doesn't, that small one. That's checking out with the inverted Torx 10. So the only.
Tighten this too.
That one's not tight at all. There we go. You want to try that one last time?
I know that one's tight. I knew the other ones.
Well, I should know if tight, because sometimes tightening the others. Nope, that's good. Let's not break it. There we go. All right, let's see if this plug works. I mean, at least one side of it's not broken, so we know that. Oh yeah, it plugs in and it's good. All right. Next, we need to take this off, and this was a good filter. It's like a K&N, I think, reusable one, but take the filter off first. Oh, we got some leaves in there. I think it just pull it. This thing, yeah, just box just comes right out of there. Well, one of them broke, but two of them broke, but one was already broken. We'll see if we need to pull those out or this. I'm not sure. Let's open this one up. Rough Country. This will be at the end. This is the filter right here. Take that out. Kind of looks like the other one, a little metal, but obviously different shape. That'll be after. Let's start with this. This is what we need first. And this one. Let's take a quick look at the directions and then we'll. So we finished putting the box together. It's pretty simple. We didn't record that. It comes in two metal pieces and then a bunch of little bolts, some nuts and washers to hold the two pieces together. There's an isolator piece here. These, it would be nice if these rubber moldings were actually molded. They're just straight, so you got to bend them. There's all kinds of weird bends, so I guess we'll see how it works. This one's just straight, but the circle one fits a little bit better. And then these two little bolts here that actually go into the alignment holes of the new one. So one thing it says to take apart this little hole is gonna hold. It goes to a nut that's on the fan shroud. So she'll put this in and we'll do that real quick. So I'll hold this one. So those bolts just go into those holes. And then right there. Yeah, look at that. So there's a screw right there. And do I need to... Yeah, that could work. Got it? Or you can hold this thing. There it goes. That's good. You make that one too tight. Okay. That's pretty nice. So the one thing we did was put this grommet in and put the air temp sensor in. Getting the air temp sensor out of the old one was actually a pain in the butt. To take a pair of pliers and squeeze it and then pull it out. Part of the plastic housing on the back of the plastic protector on the back of the air temp sensor broke, but I think it's going to be just fine. Yeah, this is the trick. You gotta put the boot on first.
No.
Now put that one on there.
This one?
Yep. Sure. Does it look like there's enough room over here? Probably. Yep.
It's hitting this.
Yeah, you're caught on the on that hose clamp. You want to take the tool. It should still have the right size, and then go ahead and tighten that down.
Electrical?
Yep.
No, it looks like it's just spinning. They're not even near each other over here.
Not too worried about it yet. Yeah, just push this one all the way in. Don't worry about this other thing. There we go. Yep.
Let's tighten it.
Tighten it. Good? Yeah, I think that's good. Because I think the tool without the socket on there is... That's good. Now, take this one and slide it, yeah, leaving that there, slide it on. What is that?
Want this inside or outside?
Probably outside so it gets the best on the thing.
What about this plug?
Oh, that goes into the,
Above the tube or under?
oh, above.
It goes in here?
Yep.
Does it matter which way?
Yeah, it'll only go one way. And then push that red in. That locks it.
Good?
That's good. This isolator bolt, if you can see down here, does not line up. So, you know, there'll be a little bit of play in here, but I'm sure if I could heat that up and bend it, it might fit, but it does not fit. So, all right, last thing is to put the sticker on. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. It was actually a pretty easy job. I think there should be a little bit of performance improvement. If there is, maybe I'll add to this video. Otherwise, I'm just going to go drive it and see how it acts. This thing is pretty anemic anyway, so I don't think it's going to give us that much of help. But I think it'll run a little smoother, hopefully, with that new throttle body and that throttle body problem that it was giving us. So, yeah, thanks for all the help. And maybe we'll bring her back in another video if you guys want her to come back. So like and subscribe.